Let's quilt one of my favorite designs, and I call it eyeballs. And it is basically a pebble with an interior pebble in each larger pebble. It goes really quickly, and it's really a great option for a fun quilt, something maybe for a little boy, or just something a little bit different. So we're going to start very much the same way as a pebble, but instead of moving on to our next pebble, we are going to do a little inset and then move on to the next pebble. All right, here's our little eyeballs. I think that this is one of my favorite all over fillers because it's just really adorable and funny. I haven't had an opportunity to use this as often, but I'm going to make a point to finish a quilt with this because it just kind of makes me giggle. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you use this, then tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. My Instagram name is Megan MME. Enjoy! Happy quilting!